beats.
Yeah, I'm on set ready.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana Sayba. If you're a returning subscriber, baby girl, baby boy, welcome back. I just want to say thanks for returning. And if you're new, it's okay. We love everybody on this channel. Welcome. I'm from West Africa, of course, Liberia. I'm your favorite Liberian girl. If you want to see more of how I do stuff like this, you should subscribe to this channel, okay? Subscribe on this channel. I do fashion haul, beauty, try on haul, no makeup yet. We're not going there yet. We're not that confident. Everything that has to do with getting yourself to look cute on a budget, okay? I'm a little budget girl. I'm a homegirl in the basement. I don't be knowing what I be doing. I just do my little, you know, just to keep it going to look like this. So if you want to see how I get myself to look this basic and simple, but still cute, still killing shit, don't hesitate. Subscribe to my channel. On this channel, we get beautified, okay? Let's get into it. So this hair is from, of course, it's from Westkiss Hair. It's the Auburn, whatever you pronounce it. I'm African, so forgive me. It's a Auburn, it's a 24-inch lace frontal, and it's super full, like literally. Let me make sure. Oh, I still have some hair in the back. This is the hair, okay? It's a 24-inch, and the hair came like this. It was already dyed like this. The lace was super easy to blend. So if you know, baby girl on this channel, we a homegirl in the basement. We can't get everything done, okay? So we need little tips and tricks to help us out. So the hair came like this, highlight like this, color like this, and I just put some curls in it. And if you want to see how I put the curls in there, watch this video, cause baby, it is given. Okay, we are giving on this channel. We are giving everything. Okay, and if you have any suggestion of videos you want me to do, leave it in the comments. Let's get in that comments. Okay, in the comments, it go down in the comments. That's where everything happens. Okay, that's where we communicate. That's where we get to know each other. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. So for this video, I'm just gonna let you watch. I know you'll get tired of me talking. If you have any questions or anything you don't understand, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment box. We are here to talk to each other. I would just let you watch the video.
Why you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marshawn shit. I been really getting feel. You know why I'm here. Don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soaked in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing, I be locked in. I was lost here. All that turned me to a target. Niggas plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now. I got fans now. I'm on cam now. I got plans now. I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go of this here. All of that bullshit is in my rear. Hey. Blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me. Say you down for me. Okay, I give a fuck what you telling me. I really grind like it's 10 of me. Sauce drip, I got the recipe. And you can find me where that pressure be. I'm really trying to see Tel Aviv. Fuck your elevation, I've been levitated in the preparation. I've been meditated, I've been hella patient. I'm so tired of waiting. I got right here with my day. Young niggas from where that crevice be. I've been silent since the less of me. Out here with the sea, really in the field. Niggas on cam now, I got plans now. Finna branch out, grew up quick, but never let go of this here. All of that bullshit is in my rear. Hey, blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wooden traders. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. Hey. Hey. Down for me. Okay. give a fuck what you telling me. I really grind like it's 10 of me. Sauce drip, I got the recipe. And you can find me where that pressure be. I'm really trying to see Tel Aviv. Fuck your elevation, I've been levitated. Did the preparation, I've been meditated. I've been hella patient, I'm so tired of waiting. I got right here with my day. Young niggas from where that crevice be. I've been solid since the less of me. Out here with the C, really in the field. Niggas on cam now, I got plans now. Finna branch out, grew up quick, but never let go of this here. All of that bullshit is in my rear. Ayy, blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wouldn't trade this. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play the play, now I think we major now. She wanna lay me down, I'ma need you to hold me all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. You say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. You say you down for me, hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me, you say you down for me. Hey.
Hey guys, so if you watch this video to the end, I just want to say thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestion of videos you want me to do, leave it in the comments. Let's get in that comments, okay? In the comments, it go down in the comments. That's where everything happens, okay? That's where we communicate. That's where we get to know each other. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, okay? Thanks for watching.
I said, yeah, I'll tell you.
Beats.